All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about new toolers from Mueller Keups. Until I talked to Andre at Mueller, sponsor by the way, I didn't really understand this set. I've seen it on the truck, didn't understand it. Mueller sent this to me, and now I love it. All right, it's basically a 3-knife set, and I don't have the part number handy with me because I already threw away the packaging because I've been using them. But anyway, it's a 3-knife set. Now this little knife is, well, just a little knife. It's a precision knife, so you can do some precision cutting, whatever general cutting you need to do. They're sharp too, by the way. This little guy, this little hook one, well, you know, zombie apocalypse would come in handy, but it's designed for cutting radiator hoses. You know, if you need to remove a radiator hose or heater hose, you stick it in and you go. But the really, really cool one is this one right here, this hook. So it is this little, it's got a little hook on it. And the purpose of it, and if you work on GM, you know what this is for. But let's say you've got a pesky zip tie that if you haven't dealt with them, slice the snot out of you and are always in the way. And if you're trying to do a conduit or whatever, you come up there, and I'm gonna try to do this, but you come in there behind it and you cut it. I'll do it again. Come in behind it. Come in behind it. Boom. How freaking cool is that? Designed to get rid of zip ties that are in your way. We've all been there. They've always sucked because you know, trying to get a pair of cutters down there and you're always in an awkward spot. These are the bomb. I mean, these just, I can't, you know, I can't contain my excitement for these because we've all had that zip tie that you just can't get to and you just can't break. That's what these are for. Another thing it's good for is like conduit. You plug it in there, and I'm doing this off the car, so it's going to be a little awkward, but you can come in. Obviously, it's not hooked to anything, but you can split the conduit for wiring and stuff like that. I'm trying not to make sure I don't, you know, slice myself. But see, slice it like that, right open. You're trying to do wiring repairs, get to wire harness, stuff like that. Like I said, works really well. I've actually used it already for a harness, but it does. Just simply plug it in. Simply plug it in. Again, I'm trying to do this and not freaking slice my hand up. They are very sharp. So, very cool tools from Mueller Keups. Really happy with this one. It's my new best friend for zip ties. Honestly, if you deal with a lot of zip ties, your two best friends are this thing and a set of flush cuts. So you can remove the zip tie and you replace it, and you do the next guy a favor and cut it flush so, you know, he doesn't lose skin. Very cool tools. I will put the part number and a link to it in the comments. Pinned comment. First comment on the page will be my comment with the part number and a link to it. If it's whether or not it's an affiliate link, I will notate, so I will put the part number so you can Google it if you don't want to support the channel by using an affiliate link. But I will put a part number and link to these tools. Trust me, you deal with zip ties, you want these tools. The hook knife, it's going to be a little better than using your nice knife to cut radiator hoses. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.